This brief video is intended to get people up to speed on virtual dissection number 14. What we're going to do here is we are going to concentrate on 4 sets of tubes within the abdomen, and we'll start with these tubes right here. This is the aorta and this is the IVC. I'm hopeful that everybody could have recognized those even without this tutorial. If we sort of scan up and down, you can see that the IVC receives contributions here from the left renal vein, and there's a contribution here from the right renal vein as well. We'll talk about the branches of the aorta during the actual virtual dissection. The other two vascular structures or tubular structures that I'd like us to look at are the portal system and the biliary tree. Before we move on to the portal system, I want to take one more look at the inferior vena cava. And what we're going to do is we're going to follow the inferior cava up through the liver. Here we're going up. This is obviously the liver right here. This is one of the hepatic veins. And here we have the inferior vena cava. And you can see the inferior vena cava as it goes up. Eventually it'll drain into the heart. You can see it there draining into the right atrium. So keep in mind, this is the inferior vena cava. That means that the other big tube in the liver has to be the portal veins. This is the portal vein right here. This is actually the right branch of the portal vein right there. But the portal vein you can see right here outside the liver. We're moving down a bit. This is the superior mesenteric vein here, and this is the splenic vein. So again, I'm going to go up here, and you're going to, first I'm going to go down just a little bit. So here's the superior mesenteric vein. There's the splenic vein entering. Here we have the portal vein, and here we have it going into the liver, and we have it bifurcating. Okay, so now we've looked at the IVC, we've looked at the aorta, and we've looked at the portal vein. The last thing I want us to look at is I want us to look at the biliary tree. This is the hepatic duct right here. It sits on top of the portal vein, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow it down. You can see at this point right here it's turned into the bile duct because we've got a contribution right here, the cystic duct from the gallbladder. So now we've got the bile duct. I just want you to concentrate on this right here. Remember that the bile duct goes through the pancreas, and after it goes through the pancreas it enters into the duodenum, and we're going to be able to see that right here. You can see it going through the pancreas here and then emptying into the duodenum right here. So here's the duodenum, and here's the part of the pancreas that's right up against the duodenum. Thank you very much.